Hello, Susie. Hello, Gerald. Hello, Rebecca. Hello, Peppa. Who wants to play a game of hide and seek? Yay!
Okay, everybody hide and Mummy Pig and I will come and find you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here we come.
We've got 5 little ones to find, so we better get started.
Where did that noise come from? There it is again. Gerald, you're a bit too tall to hide in there.
Oops.
5 minus 1 is 4. 4 little ones to find.
I think I see Rebecca. Oh, silly me. It's just a picture. Did I just hear a little giggle? Yes, I definitely heard a little giggle. There you are, Rebecca. That's 2 down and 3 to go. Whee!
I wonder if someone's in the motorhome. Where could those noises be coming from? Oh, no one in here. Are they in the bedroom?
Oh.
Nope, not there either. How about the bathroom? Nothing. Where could that squeaking noise be coming from? Ho! George, I found you. That's 3 down and 2 to go. Did I just see someone go down the pole?
Susie Sheep, there you are. Found me.
There's 5 little ones. We found 4 of them, so that just leaves 1. Peppa!
Yippee!
Where could she be?
Keep an eye out for clues, Detective Pig.
Oh.
Look, muddy footprints. I know someone who loves splashing around in muddy puddles.
Come on, team. Let's all follow the footprints and see if we can find Peppa together. We see you, Peppa. Found me.
We found them all. And what better way to celebrate than jumping in a great big muddy puddle?
Yay!